Hello everyone, today we will be solving a problem in fluid mechanics on open channel. So the problem is, water is to flow at the rate of 25 cubic meter per second in the concrete channel shown. Find the required vertical drop of the channel bottom per kilometer of length. Use n equals 0.013. In this problem, in order to get the vertical drop of the channel or the slope of the channel, we can use the Manning's equation. Since the given values includes the flow rate or the Q and the roughness coefficient or the N, we can use the equation Q equals A times 1 over N times R raised to 2/3 times S raised to 1/2. Where Q is the flow rate in cubic meter per second or cubic feet per second, A is the cross-sectional area of the flow, R is the hydraulic radius, N is the roughness coefficient, and S, which is the slope of the energy grade line. Since we still don't have a value for the area and the hydraulic radius or the letter R, we are going to solve them first. So the area is equal to the area of the rectangle, length times width, minus the area of the triangle, 1/2 times base times height. If you wonder how we get this equation, let me show you. As we can see in the figure, we assume that there is a rectangle and triangle shape. Since walang fixed formula for this shape or fixed formula na pwedeng gamitin to solve the area of this certain channel, we will just make an equation to get the area. First is, let's say that this channel is a rectangular channel, so we have a formula of length times width. Then let's subtract this part, which is the triangle part, since hindi naman siya kasali sa area ng channel. So minus the area of the triangle, which is 1/2 times base times height. Then let's substitute the values. Length of the rectangle, which is 4 meter, and width, which is 3.5 meter, minus the area of the triangle, 1/2 times the base of the triangle, which is 2 meter, and the height, which is 2 meter. Then we will have 14 square meter minus 2 square meter. After ma-minus, we will get an answer of 12 square meter. Next unknown value is the R, which has a formula of A over P, or area over perimeter. Since we don't have a value for perimeter, we need to solve it as well. So to get the perimeter of the channel, let's just add all the sides to get the answer. So 3.5 meter plus 2 meter plus this side, which is the square root of 2 squared plus 2 squared, and 1.5 meter. So if you wonder how we get the square root of 2 squared plus 2 squared, it is from the formula of how to get the sides of the triangle. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Since the two sides of the triangle is given, which has a value of 2 meter and 2 meter, we can now get the value of C. So going back to this equation, after ma-add natin itong lahat na value, we'll get an answer of 9.828 meter. Tapos, let's substitute the values. A, which is 12 meter, over 9.828, which is the perimeter. So we will get an answer of 1.221 meter. So, meron na tayong value ng A and R. Next is, since may value na tayo ng Q, A, N, and R, we can now get the value for S. So, to get the S, let's just substitute the values. So, 25 cubic meter per second is equal to 12 meter times 1 over 0.013 times 1.221 meter raised to 2/3 times S raised to 1/2. So, to solve for the S, pwede lang natin siyang i-shift solve. So, we will get an answer of 0.000562 or 0.562 meter per kilometer length. And that is the final answer.